Turn on the warning light as a reminder. Park the car well and ensure that the car has been braked safely. Attention please! The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. Remember, never to use it on a sloped ground. Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on. Then
roadside assistance at the touch of a button. The Hyperion Lift Assist 12-volt portable hydraulic floor jack provides roadside assistance when you need it most. Manual floor jacks are often cumbersome and heavy, but our floor jack is lightweight, portable, and can be easily stored in your vehicle. Plug into your cigarette adapter or connect directly to your vehicle's battery terminals to power your electric floor jack. Easily lifts cars, trucks, and SUVs with the press of a button. Let us handle the
Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on. Then the other end into the car jack. Press the power button and then the up button to start the machine. Press the O button to pause when the car has been lifted to an ideal height. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. Open the built-in tire pump. Connect it to the tire air hole and start inflating the tire. Press the inflation button to start inflating the tire. Close it when you finish inflating. The built-in LED light can be used as a flashlight. You shall open it at night.